Why you need to change your oil? Oh no, my car is dying. Quick, call a priest? Okay, maybe not a priest. But seriously, let's talk about something that could save you from a car-mageddon, changing your oil. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oil. That's boring. But trust me, this is where the magic happens. Your car's engine is basically a metal heart pumping blood, or in this case, oil, through its veins. This golden elixir keeps everything cool, clean, and running smoothly. But just like your hair needs a good shampoo, your car's engine needs a fresh oil change. Look at this gunk. This is what's protecting your engine. Can you imagine swimming in a pool full of this stuff? Neither can your car. So, how often should you change your oil? Well, it's like going to the dentist. You don't want to wait until it hurts. Check your owner's manual for the exact schedule, but generally, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is a good starting point. And remember, neglecting your oil change is like forgetting to feed your pet. Your car will let you know it's unhappy with strange noises, reduced fuel efficiency, and maybe even a little engine temper tantrum. So, do yourself and your car a favor. Give it the love it deserves with a regular oil change. Your wallet will thank you, and your car will purr like a kitten. And there you have it, folks. Oil changes, the unsung heroes of car care. Now go forth and change your oil. Your car will thank you, and so will your bank account. Remember, if cabbage can, you can too. Thanks for watching.